poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with the first W of 2019, and it is an absolute banger. It is the Nike SB Dunk collaboration with Jeff Staple in this Panda Pigeon colorway. This shoe has a very interesting backstory. So basically, the black Pigeon Dunks that came out in 2017 November, I believe, right after that release, Jeff Staple went on his Instagram and started posting pictures of rejected samples of the black SB Dunks, and one of them was a shoe that looked almost identical to this. Basically, it was just white and black like this one, and he just posted a panda and pigeon emoji on his Instagram. Of course, sneaker blogs absolutely blew up. Sneakerheads were salivating. Nike basically called him and told him to delete the post so that they can talk about potentially releasing the shoe in the future, and now it's here. So I was able to win this shoe in a raffle from Civilist, which is a skate shop here in Berlin. And that's one of the awesome things about all these recent Nike SB releases. As you guys might have noticed, Nike is trying to bring back the SB. And one of the cool things is that basically only skate shops are getting these shoes, getting these SBs. It's not going to your normal sneaker boutiques. It's only going to skate shops. So it shows that Nike is really supporting skate culture and trying to keep skating culture alive. And I thought that was pretty cool. So even though this is a white and black shoe, there are a lot of elements to the shoe, so let's get into it. So first of all, the colorway, this all over white and black colorway, it is supposed to resemble a panda, and Jeff Staple is an American with a Chinese heritage, so he just thought that this collaboration, this colorway, was a good nod to both his hometown of New York and as well as his Chinese background. As you can see, the swoosh, it's gray on the medial side, which represents New York, and it comes all over to the lateral side in a white, which is supposed to represent the panda of China. The materials used on this shoe are quite good. There's basically a black nubuck material all over the shoe, and the leather is probably not the greatest quality, but it's decent. You do also see hits of green all over the shoe, which is supposed to resemble bamboo. So the Nike sign on the back is in blue, as well as the Nike SB logo on the tongue is done in this blue font. And also on the inside of the shoe, you can see behind the tongue, it's done in that same green color. There are a lot of other details on the shoe. On the inside, you can see it says Staple with an M that's scratched out, because the original SB Dunks did say sample on the inside, but these ones say Staple, not for resale. Of course, as with all the Pigeon Dunks, you got that iconic Staple Pigeon logo on the lateral side of the shoe. Also, the insole is really nice in my opinion. You can see it has that pigeon as well as that bamboo detailing all over the shoe, and it's also done in that green bamboo color. One of the coolest things about this shoe is actually the outsole. So as you can see, you might not know what this is, but basically these are a collage of newspaper cutouts. So when the original Pigeon SB Dunks came out, it actually made the front page of the New York Post, and these are basically newspaper clippings that were cut out and formed into a collage, and you can see that at the bottom of the shoe. And the original Pigeon Dunks are probably one of the most, if not the most iconic sneaker to ever release, because it was the first sneaker to ever make front page news and had people everywhere talking about sneakers and sneakerheads. That shoe also has a crazy resale price. I believe it's like $15,000 right now on StockX. These ones, the resale is not too bad. It's about $250 to $300 or so. I would suggest, if you guys really do want the shoe, I would suggest buying them sooner rather than later, because the black pigeons that came out last year, originally the resale price was hovering around the high 100s, the low 200s, and now that shoe is selling for well over 300. So you're better off buying this sooner than later if you want to add this to your collection. So these are actually the first SBs in my collection, and I didn't really know how they would fit, so I just entered raffles in my true size, and I'm happy to say they actually fit quite well. So my sizing suggestion is just go true to size. Another very underrated feature of the shoe are the dope laces that they come with. So they come in this original black one, and then they come in this awesome looking green pair of laces, the bamboo green. I personally like this one. This is my favorite. It also comes in this white pair, which I haven't really tried on yet. But out of the three, I gotta say the green looks the absolute dopest. When I think of SBs, I think of like a lot of colors. So I definitely think the green matches best with the shoe. So that's pretty much my review. Shout out to all you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Appreciate all my new subscribers and my old ones. Shout out to all you guys. On feet coming right now. Peace.